Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's OP video update. And now I'm ready for OP to come to the downside, and if the uptrend didn't play out, so who cares? Okay, we all go step by step, and the beauty about this one is that I've never left you off in the blue. I've never let you wondering. I've never let you guessing, second guessing what is going to happen in the market every single day. Even if I told you that OP has a technical target to go to $4.3 and it might not play out. You see, we don't control the markets, but the thing is, I didn't just tell you it's going to go to 4.3 and never updated you, because every single day, if there was a problem, I actually brought all of this update for you so that you can know if any changings can happen, and changings happen in the market. So basically, you're still looking for a technical target to come down to 0.924. I just want to dive into the daily and see what exactly we are printing in. So you do have that head and shoulder pattern that I showed you, and yes, you are coming down to 0.925. And the thing is that when you do that and you closed at this level on a weekly time frame, so let me remove the drawings here. Let me bring 0.92 again, the line right over there, not this one. I'm gonna come down to 0.92. Just a second, guys. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Yep, weird. I don't know what the hell. Oh, okay, got it, just like that. So I'm actually going to bring this a little bit down to 0.92. Okay, and if you go to that level in the next 6 days, 16 hours, and close like this, then you're putting in a 3 black crows, and I want to show you how they look like. So 3 black crows on a weekly time frame is going to be really bad. So this is how they look like. Anytime you see 3 red candles back to back, that's not a discount, because this is what happens next. Okay, so this is what it's written: 3 black crows, 3 red candles, and you can see that's a continuation of a downtrend. That means that it doesn't really stop here. We are looking to basically drop all the way to the downside, and I do see something tells me that there's not any technical backup for this one, but it's because of how many projects are looking to drop down. This one is going to come down to 0.229, and that could be an amazing entry opportunity once again to actually trade to the upside. Now, I do see that when you come down to 0.932, there could be a small bounce off this place, maybe a 11%, 14% move to maybe $1, and then continue to drop to the downside. And we're going to talk about that in the future, but at the moment, that's your technical target to go to the downside. And that's pretty much it for OP update. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to join the signals, because all of these predictions, if you like them and you want to know when I buy, when I sell, because we never got affected by Bitcoin dumping in the past 3 days. And 4 days ago, I actually told my members to close their trades completely at $24,000. You can join it for $10 per month, and the entry for September is opened up, and there's only eight days for accepting the entry. So everything you want to know about it, the link is in the description of the video. You can check the signal agreement and join the signals as well. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.